Hello my Foodie Phonics friends, how are you all today? Are you ready to learn the next letter of your alphabet and to do some cooking with me? Shall we begin with our alphabet song? Are you ready to sing along with me? Let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Beautiful singing, everyone. The letter that we're going to learn about today is letter B. Can you have a look over there? Letter B makes a B sound in words. Shall we have a look on the table to see what we have that starts with a B sound? I'll just put my board, B for board, back on the table. There we go. I have a ball, B for baseball, to bounce, but maybe not inside. We should play outdoors with our ball. Over here, I have a little boy. His name is Benji, B for boy, B for Benji. Say hello, Benji. Fantastic. Benji is sitting with my big brown bear. B for brown, B for bear. Say hello, brown bear. Fantastic. I have a book, B for book. And this picture shows us some great big bubbles. I love to blow bubbles, especially for my birthday. Birthday bubbles are so much fun. Next to my book of bubbles, I have a bottle, B for bottle, and it also happens to be blue, B for blue, bottle for my water. I love to drink delicious water. Let's have a look over here. Oopsie, I nearly forgot our little bird. B for bird, over there. In this bag, B for bag, I have bread. But we're not going to cook with bread today. I also have some bananas. B for bananas. We're going to cook with bananas today. And I have some blueberries. B for blueberries. We're also going to cook with our blueberries. We're going to make blueberry banana bop. Are you ready? Let's begin. I'll take just one banana. I only need the one. I need to take the skin off of the banana because you can't eat banana skin. Oh, there we go. The banana smells deliciously sweet and fresh. Peeling away the skin. I like to take off this little tip at the end because sometimes it's a little bit black. I don't like to eat that part. Now, you don't even need to use a knife because the banana is so soft, it breaks off into little bite-sized pieces. Putting these little small pieces of banana into my bowl. I did wash my hands first. You always have to wash your hands before you touch food. There we go. My banana's nearly all broken up into bite-sized pieces. There it is. My banana pieces. Now for the blueberries. Just going to take a little handful, I don't need many, and I'm going to sprinkle them on top of my banana, and there I have my blueberry banana bop. Yummy! Should I have a little taste then? Okay, I'll tell you what it tastes like. Let me see. Oh, I can't get a blueberry onto my spoon. There we are. I've got 2 blueberries and a slice of banana. Yummy! The blueberries burst with flavor and the soft banana melts in my mouth. I love my blueberry banana bop and I hope you do too. Tomorrow we'll do some more cooking with the next letter of the alphabet. I'll see you then, boys and girls. Bye for now.